Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Taking a look at the Australian dollar paired with the US dollar, the Aussie dollar. At the moment we have a bearish engulfing candle here on the daily and pin bars. Candles quite like this for a bearish opportunity. So what we'll do is just a quick top down, and then I'll give you some ideas as to entry, how to get involved. On the daily we can see we kicked off the weekly open here. It did trade up, and so it'll be interesting to see how this shapes up. If we go down to the 4-hour chart, we can see here this price action is kind of leaning over. Okay, we've got this bearish head and shoulders pattern, and definitely bearish momentum dominating at the moment. Yeah, it's trading down into, I always mark these levels up into, when we look left, we've got this level through here. Okay, so that's the only reservation that I have at the moment. Trading in, it's trading down into support. In any case, if we go down to the lower time frame, we can look at how we might be able to get involved with this. I'd be inclined to, given that we've broken this range here, right, I'm inclined to wait for, say, a pullback, retest and fail, and then get involved, something like that. Okay, we've had the break of this range. Now we just want some confirmation, and I mean, you know, if you want to take it to the next level, you'd want to see, you know, a break and retest of this. In any case, we can see there's definitely bearish momentum. We're also trading into the London Open. That's going to kick off soon. Just keep an eye on, like, through the Asian session, 5-minute chart, where the high and the low is through the Asian session. That's another way to kind of approach this, and then just see how it breaks into the London Open. If it trades one way, it's trading south. You know, it could trade down and then rotate, and we get a bit of volatility. In any case, what I'll do is show you an easy way to get involved with this. I'll go back out to the daily on this chart and open up my other charts. Here it is, 3-minute chart using our indicators. There's a breakout. There's a trade. Breakout signal. There's the next one. What I generally do is I mark up the range where it broke out. There it is here. And I'm looking for the pullback. There's your short. These are giving us some really nice opportunities. This one here as well. Quite a nice opportunity to buy, as you can see, and I'll show you this one in a minute. You know, there's definitely some pips involved. And this one here, what we do is, where it breaks, we're looking at the range where it broke, and then we're going to get involved as the candle pulls back into the to test this range. So that was a short-lived, but nevertheless, we got something out of it. And then this one here, again, same thing. We're looking for the retest of the range, and where it breaks, we get long. And depending on your stop loss, I mean, this is a 3-minute chart. If your stop loss is under here, then and the other thing is to look at the higher time frame and go with the momentum on the higher time frame. Like if the 30-minute or the 1 hour is bearish, you know, then only take bearish signals. But look at this. I mean, which one of these would you not want to get involved in? Even if some of them are short-lived, the pips you make with the rest of these signals certainly kind of makes up for it. I've done a ton of videos on this. It's our breakout strategy, guys. Click the link below. Join my Discord. It's free. There's free trade signals in there. And have a look at the breakout tutorial. All right, with that, safe trading. See you in the next one.